Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati, and in this video I am going to explain you about a new project course which I am going to launch on my website geekcoders.co.in. This course gives you a understanding of Databricks features as well as the end-to-end flow, like how the project should look like if you are working on or if you are using Databricks in your project. Okay, before going to that, since it's a Black Friday going on, so I am giving 30% off on every courses available on my portal. Okay, so this is the website. You can go and check it out, all these courses. We have project courses like Databricks end-to-end project with Data Lake and GenAI, build AI application using Databricks LLM, practice PySpark interview questions. You can click on this button so that you will get a more project courses. If you want, you can also enroll in master in Python, then data analysis, Databricks certified course, build your first agent. This is the live training. As well as if you want looking for a combo courses, like like couple of courses in a one bundle, then you can look into these courses. Okay, let's go back and talk about this course which I'm going to launch. And first of all, this is not gonna be a pre-recorded, it is gonna be a live training which I'm going to start next week, like maybe or 6th or 8th of December. I will announce the date, maybe today or tomorrow night. Okay, so this is the course. You can check it out, all these theory and other stuff. But let me tell you the architecture of this project and what is the problem we are gonna solve, right? So we have this architecture, or let me open a photo so that it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, this is a photo, like a architecture, right? So you can see that we have candidate. You can think about that we are going to solve a problem of Naukri.com. Okay, so Naukri.com is nothing but a recruiter or like a job portal kind of thing, right? And companies go there and put their JDs, and we as a user go there and what we do, we put our resumes, profiles and all, CVs and all, right? Now Naukri.com, what he has to do, or what Naukri.com company has to do, they have to select a best candidate for a particular JD and send those resumes to a particular company, right? Now how we can do that, how Naukri.com will do it if this is the scenario, right? So that's why what I did, I created here a source system, and we have candidate resume PDFs and job description doc file. So you can think about it that we are having here two sources. Okay, one is like a PDF form and one is the doc form, or maybe a CSV or TXT file format, right, which is present in the Google Drive location. Now it can be ADLS, it can be S3 bucket, or whatever location for simple thing. And since I do not want to purchase any cloud things, that's why I'm using over here like a free open source Google Drive, right? So we have like candidate resumes PDF and job description. So since it is in PDF form, or a TXT form, or like a doc form, I need to pull these things from Google Drive into a our layer, which is a Unity catalog, and which is I'm gonna put in the staging layer. Correct, I'm gonna put into the staging layer. Now once it is done into a staging layer, now using a DLT, using DLT means delta live tables concept, what I will do, I will extract whatever the information present in those PDFs and docs into a delta table, which will be a unstructured format, like a not proper parsed tables, right? Now once it is done into the branch table, like on top of it, again I will write a DLT, and then I will clean the data and extract the information. Let's say if I talk about the candidate resume, what is the name, email, the skill set and the description, the project, and all things, right? And then once it is done, then using like Hugging Face models or maybe foundations model, I will create embeddings. I will create vector search indexing endpoints using ML flow, and do a match process using using a similarity search. And then I mean, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check, hey, whether this Sagar Prajapati, a candidate having these many skills, is suitable for this job description or not, or whatever it is, right? Using what? Using similarity search, using vector search index, I'm gonna do that. Okay, we can also do using using SQL, Python, regex and all, but I'm gonna use a like a similarity search, a AI concept in it, right? And once it is done, and then I'm gonna also use LLM, like I'm writing some prompts over there to understand the reason and other stuff, and put it into the gold layer. And then on top of it, I can create a dashboard, and I can also send an email to our partners. Let's say Accenture is a partner, right? So I can send Accenture these candidate lists, say, hey, these many candidates are the suitable match for your job description, you can check it out, something like that. We can do it, right? And we are gonna do everything on Databricks, right? We are not gonna use any ADF and other external tool, and all these things will be running, sorry, will be running using Databricks job. So we are gonna create a end-to-end pipeline or the job workflow which brings the data from Google Drive, put it into the staging layer, bronze layer, silver layer, do some indexing, then gold layer, and then send mails and refresh the dashboard. And that too live. It's not gonna be recording, right? Like I will give a recording also, but it's gonna be a live classes, right? Now, again, if you want to know more about it, let's go into this, right? I'm gonna start the class by 8 December 2025, right? You will be like learning Databricks, PySpark, DLT, vector search, LLM, dashboard, DAB, etc. And over here, you can find out the link over. I will give the link in the description box. Now you can see we have like architecture, data ingestion, resumes and JDs, Medallion Architecture, embedding and vector search, AI score engine, recruiter app, and like we can build a recruiter app also on top of Databricks. And if we want, we can skip to, and then we can go with the inside dashboard and deployment using DAB. Now we have Medallion Architecture layer, staging layer, bronze layer, silver layer, and gold layer, right? We have end-to-end workflow setup, like upload resume using autoloader or DLT. We put it into the bronze layer, then extract text plus LLM parsing, silver layer, embedding and scoring into the gold layer, vector search, and then shortlisting the candidate, LLM summary, recruiter dashboard. And tools and tech we're gonna use Databricks Lakehouse, Unity Catalog, vector search, autoloader, model serving endpoints, jobs and pipeline, PySpark, Python, SQL, and dashboard we're gonna learn. Prerequisites are Databricks. I mean, you should know Databricks, and Databricks. I mean, we're gonna use a Databricks free edition, and source data set we are gonna provide you. That's it, right? I hope that you understood it, and this is the like the course. You can just check it out. Everything what I have written over here, so that you will get a better understanding. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in the LinkedIn. You can join the WhatsApp group also, so that you can ask some questions if you have any. And if you are not interested, if you think that this course is gonna be useful for your friend or relative or colleague or whoever it is, send this video to to the particular person. And as I said that BLKFRI 20 is a coupon code. You can go and check it out, other courses also, and enroll into it if you are very interested and if you like my teaching. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and I will be creating another video on AI or LLM or vector search, or maybe I'm gonna also uh, create a new series on iceberg, and on top of Databricks. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching the video till the end. Bye bye.